Hey everybody, this is Jacob over here at AI Auto Works in Round Rock, Texas. We have a vehicle here, it's a Tesla, that's basically had Rocklear on it for 5 months. Customer had some things going on where he had some bug etchings and he had accidentally scratched the finish on the Rocklear with his house keys. So we said, hey, bring it on by, we'll take care of that for you. So I want to show you a little bit of how we repair Rocklear and how easy it is. There's this big scratch right here on the door handle. This was from his house keys. He's got one on the top, one on the bottom. The camera makes it look not as bad, but it was pretty glaring once you actually saw it in person. And then he also on the front end had some bug etchings, things that, you know, just if you don't wash your car right away and you park it outside, stuff that just sticks to it. So we're gonna get that stuff off too. You know, with Rocklear, you really want to make sure you're doing keeping your vehicle clean still. But this is the reason you get this is so this stuff comes off as easy as it does here. So all this is just a polishing compound that he's putting on there. This is nothing crazy. This is literally just quick polish. And I sped this up too, so you didn't have to watch the whole thing. But once he gets this polished, you wipe it off, and that scratch that we were looking at before is gone. And we were able to do all this on the Rocklear without doing this to your vehicle's paint. So this keeps your vehicle nice and safe, keeps it looking showroom new under the Rocklear, and it's pretty incredible that you're able to do that to this product. Now on the hood here, he had some bug guts. Once again, sped this up. All we're doing here is just doing the same deal. We're polishing. He put that same compound on there. Unfortunately, I had a customer walk in, so I didn't get it right. I couldn't make it the cut perfect. But essentially, all I do is polish it. We wipe it off. And it looks, you can see on the other side too, where there's still some bug guts and stuff, came right out. So this looks fantastic comparatively to how it did. Yeah, so this is that Tesla after it's all done. I mean, it looks absolutely incredible. I'll show some close-up video of it now, but man, this thing is killer. It's Rocklear slicks this thing up. I mean, you can literally see the sky in this. There's not another product that will protect your vehicle for as long as Rocklear will. There's not another product out there that will keep it looking as nice as Rocklear will. There's nothing out there that will do this, and especially for the price that you can get this at. So give us a call if you're interested. We can get it taken care of. The application time is about 2 days, and it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs if something happens. There's nothing better than this. So once again, this is Jacob at AI Auto Works, and I hope you enjoyed this video.